In just 5 days, Floridians will lose access to one of the world's most viewed X-rated websites.
It's in response to an age verification law that takes effect January 1st. WPTV's Michael Hoffman is breaking down House Bill 3, which is aimed at protecting minors online.
One thing's for sure, all the parents I spoke with today say more protections are needed for kids online. But Pornhub, who plans to leave the state of Florida on January 1st, says they have no issue with keeping minors from accessing their website. They just have a problem with taking your information to do it. It's one of the most popular porn websites, and now it's warning users in Florida about plans to depart from the Sunshine State.
Good. Less of that, the better.
When House Bill 3 takes effect January 1st, Florida will join 12 other states that have passed legislation requiring websites to verify the ages of users before showing them explicit material by showing their driver's license. The bill requires a non-governmental third party to conduct that age verification process. The law also requires children ages 14 and under to get a parent's permission before setting up social media accounts. We spoke with 3 parents about their thoughts on the new law, and they're all in agreement.
She's our child until she's 18. She can make her decisions when she's an adult, but until then, she's our responsibility.
Well, anything they can do to keep kids safe is good by me. But I don't agree with the government telling us how we can raise our kids, but someone's got to do something to keep the kids off those sites.
I think it's an appropriate thing to do is to go after, try to prevent these young kids from, there's just so many negative outcomes that I think come from young people engaging, and I think it starts off with social media, and then I think porn is arguably probably more destructive.
The Free Speech Coalition is suing the state of Florida in a federal lawsuit, hoping to stop the law from taking effect over privacy and free speech concerns.
This isn't about pornography specifically, right? This is about government restrictions and the ability of government to limit a citizen's ability to go online.
I reached out to Pornhub's parent company, ILO, which sent me a statement that reads in part, ILO has publicly supported age verification of users for years, but we believe that any law to this effect must preserve user safety and privacy and must effectively protect children from accessing content intended for adults. Reporting in West Palm Beach, Michael Hoffman, WPTV News.